Ever open your closet and sense like a twister just passed through? From overflowing hangers to lacking shoes, we've all been there. However, what if I told you your messy closet is only a few smart tricks away from being Pinterest worth? Here are 50 genius closet enterprise thoughts which are so clever, you'll surprise how you ever lived without them. 1. Use soda tabs to double up hangers. Loop a soda tab over a hanger hook to cling any other hanger from it. Instant double space. 2. Label closet zones. Use small labels or tags to split regions, tops, pants, clothes, off-seasonal, and so on. It makes selecting outfits quicker. 3. Deploy tension. Rods vertically create extra shelving space for footwear or handbags with vertical anxiety rods. 4. Shade code. Your cloth wardrobe organized via coloration to make your closet visually calm and outfit picking simpler. 5. Upload shelf dividers, splendid for stacking sweaters or jeans without the dreaded garb avalanche. 6. Use clean boxes for accessories. Obvious packing containers for scarves, belts, and small gadgets make finding things simpler without digging. 7. Hold bathe earrings on a hanger. Use them to organize tank tops, scarves, or even earrings. 8. Rolling cart for small closets. Use a narrow rolling cart for shoes, purses, or folded tees. Easy to tug out and tuck lower back in. 9. Set up hooks at the inner of the door, perfect for gowns, hats, or your next day outfit. 10. Fold vertically, Marie Kondo style. Folding clothes vertically in drawers lets you see the whole lot at a look. 11. Use hanging organizers for sweaters, avoid stretched out hangers, and stack gentle sweaters in placing shelf devices. 12. Add LED motion lighting fixtures. Closets can be dark caves. Upload stick-on LED lighting fixtures that set off whilst you open the door. 13. Repurpose mag holders. Use them for flip-flops, snatch handbags, or maybe socks. 14. Rotate seasonally. Keep AB 8392436 CFC 1594038 FD240 AEF21C2 clothes in vacuum bags and rotate as the climate adjustments. 15. Display rings on a pegboard. Maintain necklaces untangled and rings visible with a simple wall pegboard. 16. Use suitcase area. Store out of off-season garments, interior empty suitcases rather than losing closet space. 17. Upload a second closet rod, double your hanging area by way of putting in a decrease rod for shorter clothes. 18. Use baskets for bulky items. Baskets painting super for scarves, mittens, or gym garments. 19th. Hold a reflect. A full period mirror, not most effective, facilitates with dressing, however visually enlarges the distance. 20th. Add pull-out drawers. Make deep cabinets more usable by installing sliding drawers for easy access. 21st. DIY shoe rack from PC pipes. Cut PC pipes and glue them into a pyramid to slip shoes into each slot. 22nd. Command hooks for handbags. Stick command hooks on facet partitions for organized, upright purse storage. 23. Upload a valet rod. A sliding valet rod is brilliant for striking your next outfit or air drying delicate clothes. 24. Tiered skirt hangers. Use multi-level hangers to stack multiple skirts or pants vertically. 25. Use bathe. Caddies grasp them at the rod or side wall for socks, bras, or small accessories. 26. Label shoe packing containers. Keep shoes in their containers, but label or image tag the out of doors for brief access. 27. Cling bags. Inner clothing. Covers save much less used handbags, inside dirt luggage, or old pillowcases for dust-free garage. 28th. Pool noodles for boot support. Cut pool noodles and insert into tall boots to save you slouching. 29th. Over-the-door shoe organizers. Use the pockets for footwear or small apparel gadgets like underwear or infant clothes. 30. Shelf risers. Add shelf risers to make use of vertical space for folded clothes or baskets. 31st. Lazy Susan for accessories, perfect for organizing rings, perfumes, or watches on a shelf. 32nd. Clip pants, hangers for boots. Clip tall boots upside all the way down to hang neatly and avoid creases. 33rd. Curtain rings for scarves. Loop scarves through curtain jewelry held on a rod or hanger. 34th. Label drawers. Absolutely upload fashionable labels to drawers to remind yourself where each object is going. 35. Organize via outfit organization, complete clothes collectively on hangers, brilliant for children or busy mornings. 36. Use a belt hanger in particular. Designed hangers maintain belts from ending up in a tangled mess. 37th turn. Hangers backwards whenever you wear something, flip the hanger. After 6 months, donate some things still facing the wrong way. 38th. Clean shoe drawers. Stackable, clear front drawers look sublime and make morning searches quicker. 39th. Use a record organizer for clutches. Stand your C's baggage upright using a laptop report organizer. 41. S-hooks for denims. Dangle jeans through the belt loop on S-hooks rather than folding. 42. Repurpose vintage drawers. Mount them on the wall as cabinets for shoes, bags, or folded objects. 43. Custom drawer dividers. DIY dividers help separate bras, socks, and undies internal drawers. 44th. Show favorite gadgets. Turn a segment of your closet right into a mini boutique and display hats, footwear, or outfits. 45th. Upload a closet curtain. Update closet doors with an elegant curtain to shop area and add personality. 46. Use drawer organizers. Preserve the whole thing in area and avoid drawer chaos. 47th. Beneath shelf baskets. Hold baskets underneath shelves for small add-ons or t-shirts. 48th. Wire wall grid. Use this to clip accessories, pics, or outfit thoughts for fashion inspo. 49th. Install a shoe shelf on the ground. Carry footwear off the ground and stack them on a small shelf unit. 50. Declutter frequently. The first-rate hack of all. In case you don't love it or wear it, donate it. Much less litter, greater space. There you have got it. 50 natural genius closet business enterprise thoughts. Which one will you try first? Let us understand in the remarks, and don't neglect to love and subscribe for extra smart dwelling suggestions.